I started here as an associate engineer in the engineering department and moved into the manager role probably within a year. It has been fast-moving and exciting and challenging all at the same time.
I've been with CTL for almost 10 years. It's a big enough company to where you have an opportunity to move up, but it's also small enough to where you still have a family atmosphere and you know everybody in the company.
I've been working here 24 years, just over 24 years. I think I'm pretty privileged to be here my whole career and to be given the different opportunities to move up within the firm.
I started out in our field department as a field tech, and then I moved into our drilling department and I drilled for a while, and then once I got my PE, I was promoted to a project manager. And I think one thing that CTL brings to the table is we have a ton of experience in the area.
CTL Thompson is one of the oldest firms practicing geotechnical engineering in Denver.
It's really an honor and a privilege to work with the leaders in the industry.